Now class 4 we'll be doing exercise B. Circle the subject and underline the predicates in the following sentences. First sentence, sit on that chair. Now we have just discussed the exceptional cases of subject and predicate. Now sit on that chair is a command. So subject you is understood. So you will take a ruler and you will underline the predicate, which is sit on that chair, and you will write you and you will circle it. Sentence second, how are you? We have just discussed when it comes to question, first will be predicate and then followed by subject. Similar over here, how are you? So you is the subject, circle the subject and you will underline the predicate, how are. The picture is very beautiful. Now this is an easy statement. The picture is very beautiful. What is very beautiful? The picture. The picture is the subject and is very beautiful is the predicate. Please try the sentences on your own. Before I do it, please try it on your own. Now fourth sentence, switch on the television. Again, it's a command. And I have just mentioned when you will meet the command in the sentences, what you will do? Subject you should be understood. Switch on the television. This is a command. I'm telling you, you switch on the television. Write you, circle subject and underline the predicate, which is switch on the television. Fifth sentence, the cartoon show is very funny. What is very funny? The cartoon show. So circle the subject and underline the predicate. Circle the subject and underline the predicate. Is very funny will be the predicate. Make sure your work is very neat and clean, okay? It looks really nice, and when you start scribbling on the book, it is very dirty. So the cartoon show is very funny. What is very funny? The cartoon show. The cartoon show is the subject and is very funny is the predicate. Now neatly do the sixth sentence. I had fever yesterday. Try, students. I want an answer. I had fever yesterday. Who had fever? I. Then I will be what? Subject. And the predicate is that part of the sentence which tells something about the subject. So it is telling that I had fever yesterday. Had fever yesterday is the predicate. See how beautiful it is looking when I'm just drawing the lines I'm drawing the straight line and I'm trying to circle the subject neatly. It looks really neat, okay? Look at this exercise also. It is very neat. So please children, maintain your books properly, okay? Seventh sentence, Jyoti came inside the room. Who came inside the room? Jyoti. Jyoti is what? Subject. Circle the subject and underline the predicate. Use your ruler. Again, I'm telling again and again, I give the instructions just because you should be very clear that I want the work neatly. Use your ruler, your eraser, your pencil. Sharpen your pencil while doing the work. Okay? What is that insect? Now this is a question. We have already dealt with the question. Now it should be clear by now. If I'm talking about the question, subject will be at the end and predicate will be before. First will be the predicate followed by subject. What is that insect? So what is the subject? That insect. We're talking about that insect. Neatly draw a circle. That insect. Again use your ruler and draw a line over here properly. What is? Because this is the predicate. In question, predicate will come first, followed by subject. Is it clear now? Very good. Mona and Sona play badminton. Who play badminton? Mona and Sona. There are girls who play badminton. The name of the girls are Mona and Sona. We are talking about Mona and Sona. So Mona and Sona are subject. Neatly draw a circle over there. Mona and Sona. What are they doing? They are playing badminton. Play badminton is what? Play badminton is predicate because it is telling about subject. Mona and Sona. Again a question. Where is everybody? Now, as I have told that in questions, subject will come at the end and predicate will be first. Where is the predicate? Use your ruler and draw a straight line, proper line. And keep sharpening your pencil, okay? Now, everybody is what? Everybody is your subject. We are talking about everybody. Everybody is the subject, whereas where is the predicate? Now, exercise C. Fill in the blanks with following subjects and predicate. Now, what you have to do? You have to fill the blanks with the subjects or predicate accordingly. The girl. Now, the girl is the subject. What is the predicate? You can see over here a girl. What she's doing? She is dancing. So, you will mention here is dancing. Okay? The sun. Again, it's a subject. Fill the predicate. The sun is shining. The sun is shining brightly. Dash is my favorite book. We are talking about a favorite book. I can say this is my favorite book, or you can write the name of the book. Dash live in Delhi. Who lives in Delhi? I live in Delhi. Or you can name a person. Live in Delhi. Dash is the capital of Goa. Very easy. It's a fact. What is the capital of Goa? Tell me. Panaji is the capital of Goa. Panaji is the capital of Goa. The stars. Again, it is a subject and we have to fill the predicate. The stars are shining in the... Where do stars shine? Tell me. Yes, this shine in the sky. The stars are shining in the sky. Full stop. Dash is making a table. Who is making a table over here? Look at the picture. Who is making table? The carpenter. Very good. The carpenter is making the table. So write the carpenter is making a table. Lata is a subject. Fill the predicate. Lata sings well. Lata sings well. Full stop. It's already been mentioned there. Dash is my best friend. Name your best friend. I can say Richa is my best friend. Richa is my best friend. Mohan, it's a subject. So you can write anything related to Mohan. I am writing Mohan is a hardworking boy. Full stop. Now children, in this particular exercise, we have dealt with the exceptional cases of subject and predicate. Whereas in this exercise C, we have filled the blanks with subject and predicate. Okay. Now with this, we have done the book work of subject and predicate. Thank you so much, class.